Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what I consider the best ceramic bracelet watch band available right now, thanks to its scratch-resistant finish and sleek, modern look. This is the Juntan 20mm ceramic watch band with a stainless steel butterfly deployment clasp, designed for both men and women who want a touch of elegance and durability in their timepieces. Let's start with the build. This strap is made from high-quality ceramic, which isn't just about looks. Ceramic is well known for being extremely hard, which means it's naturally scratch-resistant. Unlike metal bands that can scuff over time or leather straps that wear and tear, ceramic holds its finish beautifully, keeping that polished, glossy surface intact for years. If you're someone who values a watch that always looks brand new, this material delivers exactly that. Moving to the design, this watch band is sleek and minimalistic. The pure white finish offers a modern, luxurious look that pairs well with casual outfits and formal wear alike. It's subtle, but also eye-catching because it's not your typical leather or stainless steel strap. White ceramic catches light in a way that makes your watch feel more like a piece of jewelry than just a functional accessory. The clasp is another highlight worth mentioning. Juntan has paired this ceramic band with a stainless steel butterfly deployment clasp. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about security and ease of use. The butterfly clasp locks in snugly, giving you peace of mind that your watch is safe on your wrist, while also making it quick to take off or put on. It creates a seamless, continuous band look without the bulk of a traditional buckle. Compatibility is also excellent. The quick release feature makes swapping out straps easy without needing special tools. This is a big plus if you like to change watch bands often, whether you're styling for work, a night out, or just everyday comfort. The 20mm size fits a wide range of watch cases, so it's versatile enough for many brands and models. Comfort is another factor where this ceramic band stands out. Ceramic is lightweight and smooth against the skin, making it comfortable for all-day wear. Unlike some metal bands that can pinch or pull, or leather straps that might feel warm in the summer, ceramic stays cool and sits comfortably on your wrist. If you have sensitive skin, this hypoallergenic material is an added bonus, reducing irritation. Now let's talk about durability. Because ceramic resists scratches, chips, and fading, it's one of the most reliable long-term options you can buy. This is especially true if you're investing in a nice watch and want a band that matches that level of quality without degrading after just a year of wear. The stainless steel clasp only adds to this longevity, combining two tough materials into one package. To sum it up, the Juntan 20mm ceramic watch band with butterfly deployment clasp is more than just an accessory, it's an upgrade. It brings durability, comfort, style, and practicality into one product. If you want your watch to look pristine for years while adding a refined and modern touch, this ceramic strap is a standout choice. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. If you're looking for a watch band that combines luxury with everyday usability, this is one worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.